How to delete trophies on PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can delete trophies or all of the trophies that you might have earned on PlayStation and all of your relative games as well. So you simply want to make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now first of all, the first thing you have to keep in mind is that you can only delete trophies if you haven't earned them for a specific game. If you've already earned some of the trophies, you'll not be able to delete them. Now just for the context, let me also just go ahead and show you the example. First of all, you want to navigate to the trophy section. So you can see a couple of games over here. The first game on my list is called Doom, and as you can see on the right hand side, I have not yet earned any trophies. And the second game is actually eFootball 2023, and as you can see, I have earned 3 trophies, which is the bronze trophy all the way on the right hand side of the screen. So let's say I want to go to the Doom option over here, and then I just want to press the options button on my controller. Here you would really be able to find the option called delete. That is because I haven't earned any type of trophies in this game. However, if I press the options button from this another game over here which had some trophies in it and for which I have already earned it, you can see I do not have the option to delete. I only have the option called information. Similarly, if I go to Rocket League and press the options button, you can see I do not have the option to delete it, and as well as you can see on FIFA, I have not earned any type of trophies yet. So if I go to the options button here, I would find the option called delete. Now I don't understand why PlayStation or your PSN or Sony actually made it this complicated to delete your trophy, but as of right now there isn't any other way other than doing this. You want to simply press the options button. If it's available, then you can just choose the option called delete and then press the OK button to delete the trophies earned for that specific game. Other than that, you will not be able to do any other thing. Hopefully this video answered a question as to how you can delete trophies on your PlayStation console. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.